Hello everybody, this is Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. Please like, subscribe, check out my channel, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you here soon. Okay, here's our potatoes, our sweet potato. I strained all but some of the liquid. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter and some cream. Like so. Gonna add some more kosher salt, and we'll give it a mix. Alright, after a lot of mixing and smashing, we've got a nice creamy sweet potato mash here for our chicken. Okay, while my pan's heating up here on medium-high heat, I've got my boneless, skinless chicken thighs seasoned with kosher salt and cracked black pepper, and we're ready to go. So we're just waiting on our pan to heat up. Now that our pan's heated up, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of extra virgin olive oil. And we'll go ahead and get our chicken in there, seasoned side down. These are going to go for about 3 to 5 minutes or so. Okay, these have been going for about 3 minutes. I've already seasoned the other side with salt and cracked black pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip. These have been going for a couple minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the heat. I'm going to add about half a cup or so of chicken stock. Chicken stock will deglaze our pan, get the chicken off of the chicken bits off of the bottom of the pan, the fond. We'll let that reduce down. I'll throw in some fresh thyme. Okay, I reduced the heat also. You just want a light rumble there. I gave it a quick taste test. Don't need any more added salt. Just added a little more cracked black pepper. And this has been going for a minute or so, so I can go ahead and remove the thyme because it's got a nice thyme flavor already. So we'll just get rid of that, and I'm going to add like a tablespoon or two of butter. Gotta love butter. Let that reduce. And you know when your sauce is ready and reduced down significantly, because when you swipe across, it takes a while for this liquid to come back together. That way you know it's ready to go. And see, by the time I kill the heat, this will be totally ready to go. It'll be thickened adequately. So I can go ahead and kill the heat on this and add our chicken back in. And there you go. Ready to plate up here. So there you have it, everybody. It is our pan-seared chicken thighs, sweet potato mash, and a butter-thyme sauce. Cheers to great food. Thanks for watching.